Levi's manages to stay in the spotlight even after decades. Levi's doesn't just ride on its vintage tag, it's the clever blend of past legacy and modern branding strategies that keeps it evergreen. Unlike fleeting fashion fads, Levi's jeans gives an assurance of quality and history, a combo that isn't easily replicated. The brand's commitment to sustainability played an important role in its modern revival. By shifting to eco-friendly practices such as water-saving techniques, Levi's wasn't just keeping up with the times, it was setting the bar for others. But what's noteworthy is that in the middle of this ever-changing branding landscape, Levi's maintained its soul. Those iconic designs like the 501s remained consistent, ensuring that while the brand sported a contemporary look, its heart stayed vintage. Drawing inspiration from this, here are some takeaways for business aiming to imitate Levi's success. Number 1. Cherish authenticity. Your brand's unique essence is irreplaceable. Like Levi's unwavering commitment to its signature designs, identify and maintain what makes your brand stand out. Number 2. Stay current with core values. Embrace innovations that align with your brand's principles. If Levi's can successfully merge sustainability with fashion, so can you in your niche. Number 3. Strategic collaborations are gold. Seek partnerships that complement and elevate your brand, creating a synergy that keeps your audience engaged and curious. Now you know how